I'm Erin Courtney and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make quesadilla lasagna. A lot of times I have a hard time making a decision between Mexican food or Italian food. This is the perfect combination. So I'm going to show you how to put it all together, and this is one of those meals where we can put it in the fridge, make it later in the week, or we can put it in the freezer and make it some other time. Let's get started. Okay, so here are our ingredients. I've got 24 ounces of sour cream, 1 pound of cooked chicken. I like to get the family size bags of the chicken fajitas because these do already have some seasonings in them. I love the flavor, they are fantastic. So I've got my pound of chicken, 1 pound of a Mexican blend cheese. There's a bunch of different types of cheeses at the grocery store that you can pick up. I just grabbed the Mexican blend. And then I've got 18 flour tortillas. If you want to make yours gluten-free, you can use corn tortillas. You just want to make sure they're nice and floppy. Wow, that sounds terrible. Okay, now I have got half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of paprika, a 1/4 cup of jalapeno juice. You just get the jar of jalapenos and you get the juice out. And then about 2 to 3 cups of grated mozzarella cheese for the topping. All right, so let's get started. I've got my jalapeno juice, paprika, cumin, sugar. Sugar makes everything taste better. Cayenne. This is optional, but it gives it a little bit of a kick. And then our garlic powder. Now I'm gonna whisk that all together without making a mess, maybe. Whisk it good. There we go. Now I'm going to add my chicken and the cheese. I'm just going to stir that together. You just want to make sure that it is combined well. Okay, that's all good and mixed. Alright, now I have sprayed a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I'm going to take 6 tortillas, put them right here on the bottom. I'm going to take 1/3 of my mixture plop it on there and spread it out. Okay, next layer. See how it's just like a lasagna, but it's Mexican? Isn't that fantastic? I agree. Take another 1/3. Plop it on there. There we go. Smooth it out. And the final layer of tortillas. Come here. And the remaining mixture goes on top. All right. Now we have all of that. It is time for the mozzarella cheese, because it's not really a lasagna without mozzarella cheese, right? I agree. I like a lot of mozzarella. I'm a big cheese fan. I'm pretty cheesy. It's all done. It's all done. Ta-da! Now that everything is put together, we have several options here. We can go ahead and bake it. We can wrap it in plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, just make sure you cook it within the next 7 days. Or you can make sure you wrap it in plastic wrap, put the date on it, and stick it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Just don't forget about it. But honestly, I'm hungry as usual, so we're gonna go ahead and bake it. We're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. You just wanna make sure it's nice and melted and hot and delicious and perfect. Let's get it in there so we can eat. Ooh, look at that, all melted and cheesy and delicious. I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 5 minutes if I can last that long, and then I'm gonna chop this stuff up and serve it. Oh, let's do this. Look at that, you cut it just like a lasagna. Oh yeah. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh. And now for my favorite part, I get to eat it. Oh. Mm. 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 Okay, well that's it for my quesadilla lasagna. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe and keep your eyes peeled, because I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos. Welcome to my kitchen.